Hello, I'm Anuja, Mariyam. I've done a program on selection sort and insertion sort. I'll explain the program here. The program starts from the main function. Here, we declare a character called choice, an integer opt, I, size, and an array A of size 20. A do-while loop is used here. Initially, we get to see the statement enter the size of the array where we enter the size using the variable size. And then we enter values into the array. For that, we're using a for loop where an integer I is initialized to 0 and we check if the size of I, value of I is less than size. If this condition is true, we enter a value into the position A of I and the value of I is incremented. Further, we see the statement press 1 for selection sort, press 2 for insertion sort, and then enter your choice. We enter our choice using the variable opt where we enter our option whether if it's 1 or 2. And here we have a switch case where this switch case is used to switch between our options. If the entered choice is 1, then the control goes to case 1, that is selection sort. Control moves from here to up here. In this function, we have initialized an integer small, temp and loc. First, we have a for loop here where an integer I is initialized to 0 and we check if the condition I less than size minus 1 is satisfied. If this condition is satisfied, then we enter the for loop where the variable small is given the value in the position A of I and the variable loc is given the value of I. After this, we enter the next for loop where we declare an integer j to the value I and we check if the value of j is less than size. If this condition is true, then we enter the loop where there is an if condition. The if condition is that the value in the position A of j is less than the value in the variable small. If this condition is satisfied, then we store the value of j to loc and the value in the position A of j to small. And then we get out of this if statement and then we can a swapping of the elements takes place using a variable temp where value in the position A of loc is stored to temp and then the value of A of I is assigned to A of loc and the value in temp is given to A of I. After this, the control comes back here where the sorted array gets displayed. Here also we're using a for loop where we've initialized I to 0, I less than size, and then if this condition is true, we display the sorted array. Meanwhile, if the option entered is 2, then control comes here, that is insertion sort, and the control moves from here to here. In this function, we have declared the integer I, j, and temp. And then here we have a for loop in which we have initialized I to 1 and we check if this value of I is less than size. If this condition is satisfied, then we initialize the value of I to the variable j and we have a while loop here where we check if the value of j is greater than 0 and value in the position A of j minus 1 is greater than the value in the position A of j. If this condition is satisfied, then we switch the places of the elements. Swapping is done using a temporary variable called temp in which the value in the position A of j is assigned. And then in the position of A of j, we have the value in the position of A of j minus 1 and in place of A of j minus 1, we have the value in the position temp and then the value of j is decremented. From there, the control comes back here where we display a sorted array again similar to the previous sort. After that, we get to choose whether to continue or not. Now I'll run the program. Enter the size of the array. We enter the size here. There will be 5. Enter values into the array. I'll enter it in an unsorted manner. 2, 5, 3, 4, and 7. Press 1 for selection and sort. 1. The sorted array is displayed here. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Enter size of the array. Let it be 5 again. Enter values into the array. 7, 3, 8, 43, 12. Enter. Press 2 for insertion sort. We'll try out insertion sort this time. 2. Again, the sorted array is displayed. Do you wish to continue? No. Press any key. Hence, we can conclude that the program was successful. Thank you for watching.